Hi, everyone. I want to give you today a tip for how to start your game. Yeah, I call it the 3 C's strategy. 3 C's. First one, C for center. You see these 4 squares in the middle of the board? The goal is to control those. Why? Because from the center, you can attack anywhere. Second C, be sure to castle your king. You get your knight and your bishop, notice towards the center. And now your king is free to castle. What's the third C? Connect your rooks. You see, we need to bring out the rest of our pieces towards the center, and suddenly our rooks are connected. Those 3 C's are the most important strategies for starting out a chess game very well. But be careful. There's another tip that you must follow if you're going to be successful with this. Watch the next video to see that one.